Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would be reading the Beginner's Bible for children. In this channel we'll be reading stories from the Bible. This Bible is for children. You can grab a copy from Amazon and it costs just £10. This Bible is so good for children. It's very colorful and it's very easy to read. Even my 7-year-old can read the Bible. Today, we'll start from the book of Genesis. So we'll be reading about the beginning. In the beginning, how God created the heavens and the earth. In the beginning, the world was empty. Darkness was everywhere, but God had a plan. God separated the light from the darkness. Let there be light, he said, and the light turned on. He called the light day, and he called the darkness night. This was the end of the very first day. Then God said, I will divide the waters. He separated the waters in the clouds above from the water in the ocean below. He called the space between them sky. This was the end of the second day. Next, God rolled back the waters, and some dry ground appeared. He said, He made plants of many shapes and colors. He made mountains, hills, and valleys. This was the end of the third day. God put shining sun in the sky for the daytime. He put a glowing moon and twinkling stars in the sky for the nighttime. This was the end of the fourth day. On the fifth day, God made squishy fishes and squiggly creatures to live in the ocean. Then God made birds to fly across the sky. On the sixth day, God made animals to creep, crawl, hop, and gallop. Then from the dust, God made the most wonderful creature of them all, a person. God named him Adam. On the seventh day, God rested. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you. Adam and Eve. We're reading from Genesis chapter 2. God had planted a beautiful garden for Adam in a place called Eden. A river flowed through the garden. Adam loved his new home. His job was to name all the animals and care for the garden. Adam loved all the animals, but he could not find a friend. That was just right for him. So God created a woman. Adam named her Eve. She was just right for Adam. Adam and Eve loved each other. Together they took care of God's garden. The end of chapter 2. Genesis chapter 2. We are moving now to chapter 3. The sneaky snake. Genesis chapter 3. Many trees grew in the Garden of Eden. God told Adam, you may eat the fruit from any tree except for one. Never eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Now, there was a sneaky snake in the garden. One day, the sneaky snake saw Eve near the special tree. He hissed, Did God tell you? Did God really tell you not to eat the fruit from the tree? It's very sneaky. The snake wanted Eve to disobey God. It said you should try some of these tasty fruits. If you eat it, you will be like God. Oops. You will be able to tell the difference between good and evil. Really? The fruit looked tasty to me, Eve said. Eve remembered what God had said, but she ate the fruit anyway. Sad. Then Eve gave some to Adam. He took a bite too. That's bad. As the sun was going down, Adam heard God walking through the garden. He was looking for them. Adam and Eve hid among the trees. They were afraid. What have you done? God asked. Did you eat from the forbidden tree? Adam said, yes, yes, but Eve gave it to me. Eve said, yes, but the snake tricked me. Is that a good reason? God told the snake, because of what you did, you will always crawl on your belly. Then he told Adam and Eve, because you disobeyed me, you can no longer live in the garden. Oh, too sad. Adam and Eve left the garden. God placed angels and a flaming sword to the garden, the entrance, to guide the entrance. Adam and Eve will not be allowed into the garden again. Sad. That's the end of chapter 2. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Same time tomorrow. Bye.